Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how you can share your CapCut project with your friends so that you can do a collaborative work with it. So first thing you have to do is just go open your CapCut application. Wait until it's perfectly open. Make sure you have a good connections, and then you just need to go find the video that you want to share here. And the next is just tap into these three small dots and upload the project into the space. You can pick the folder and then just go tap into upload. And if you already uploaded, they could be seen like this, but if you haven't had uploaded, they could be this symbols going up, means that the project is in a process to upload into your space. Now after it's uploaded, just open your space right away, and then you just need to open all project, and then you just need to find the project that you want to share with your friends. And here you just need to go back. Now you just need to tap into this plus button right here, and then you just need to copy the link, and then you can just share the link here with your friends that you want to invite as your collaborative team. And that's all. That's for this tutorial. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification section for upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and I'll let you see you for the next tutorial.